Siddharth Vyas and I am a final year student of mechanical engineering, and I would like to tell you that these 4 years in mechanical engineering has been a roller coaster ride for me. I have seen all the ups and downs, but I am very blessed and fortunate one to have teachers like them who supported me through all the thicks and thins. So I am thankful to them. I am thankful to my HOD sir, Dr. Deepak Mehra. I am thankful to all the staff of mechanical engineering. And as we all know, it is the hour of crisis as pandemic COVID-19 has hit all over the world, and still they are supporting us, still they are standing beside us and are trying to make our graduation more easier for us. So I feel very thankful to them and blessed to have them all. Thank you so much.
I am Mayank Koja, student of final year mechanical engineering branch. In this situation of pandemic, as the world is suffering from crisis of COVID-19, our college has taken such an initiative to conduct online classes. They have given online notes, online lectures, as well as the assignments were taken online. To continue with it, the second midterm online examinations were also being conducted through Google Classroom app, and all the lab assessments, the internal assessments and the project and the seminar works were being completed through Google Meet app. So for such an initiative, I am thankful to the management of the Cheeth College as well as the mechanical engineering department, and first and foremost the faculties and the staff members who have put on such a hard work to complete the course on time. Thank you, Cheeth.
Hello, my name is Lakshya. I'm a student of Mechanical Engineering Department, final year, and I would like to thank all my faculty members for providing me all the necessary documents and notes regarding the study for the final year semesters, and also providing me all the necessary links, books for the studies. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Sharma. I am a final year mechanical engineering student from Cheeth, Jodhpur. These 4 years of my life were the most amazing and delightful years with lots of fun and learning. And I was really excited about this last semester getting completed. But due to this uncertain pandemic situation of COVID-19, our semester stopped in the mid and got delayed. Here I am really thankful to our HOD sir and faculty members for their continuous efforts towards our studies. I was really worried about our midterms and seminars getting delayed and the time getting lost. By conducting online seminars and midterms, they have saved our lot of time, and by providing us class notes, they have helped us a lot in our studies. Their efforts are really overwhelming and applause-worthy. Finally, I would like to say thank you to each and every faculty members for their efforts and their helping. Your every bit of effort counts in our success. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Ritam Mathur. I am student of final year mechanical engineering in Cheeth College. I want to express my gratitude and warm regards towards all the faculty members and HODs who are working very hard even at their home. They are providing study material online by the help of Google Classroom platform to each and every student so that they can study online with the help of this platform. Yesterday they have conducted second midterm online examination by the help of Google Classroom platform, and this was the initiative by Cheeth College so that every student can score good marks, and they are further planning to conduct online practical examinations and seminar so that our final semester exam and should not get delayed and we get the degree on time. Thanks for all the support and efforts in this situation. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Virat. I am mechanical engineering final year student from Jodhpur Institute of Engineering and Technology. As you all know, the sudden outburst of this COVID-19, lots of things were in trouble. My studies also get affected. I was so much excited that my final year is coming to an end, but due to this sudden outburst of COVID-19, it was delayed. But I am thankful to my college professors, faculty members, dean, HODs. They provided their college notes through their Google Classroom, and I highly recommend this platform for all the students because it gives same experience as I am sitting in the classroom and taking the knowledge from teachers. I am very much thankful to this innovative idea and experience I got. I highly recommend this, guys. Do take this Google Classroom seriously, and thank you so much.
I am Avinash Soni, student of BTech final year. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, our college and studies affects most. But all the teachers of mechanical department supports the student by giving the study material and video lectures through the Google Classroom, which helps us very much in completion of our course and clear all our concepts and doubts. The material provided by faculty members are very good. That clears all our doubts. I am very thankful to all my faculty members and my college. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Yash Sharma from Mechanical Engineering Department, final year. Today I want to say thank you to all the faculty members and the teaching staff of our department, because from the last 4 years they are helping us in each possible manner. And we can take the example of yesterday that they held the online examination of second midterm on the Google Classroom app so that we can score the good marks. So I'm really overwhelmed by their love and affection towards us, and thank you so much, sir. We are just very lucky to have you.
My name is Shubham Bhatti, currently pursuing my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from JIT Jodhpur. As we all know that whole world is going through a very difficult time of coronavirus spread, and due to which we are not able to go to our college. So our college has taken a great step of e-learning for us so that our studies are not get disturbed. Recently they conducted a midterm online test. They are regularly providing us video lectures and e-notes so that our studies doesn't get disturbed. I would like to thank our HOD Dr. Deepak Mehra sir for his initiative that he took for us, and all the teachers for their consistent support. Thank you.
हेलो, माय नेम इज़ अमित बंसल. आई एम फ्रॉम फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट ऑफ मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट. इस वीडियो में मैं फीडबैक देना चाहता हूँ जो भी गूगल क्लासरूम के बारे में. गूगल क्लासरूम पे हमारी फैकल्टी ने अभी पीपीटी अपलोड करी, नोट्स अपलोड करे हैं और असाइनमेंट दिए, और इवन अभी जस्ट मिड टर्म भी कंप्लीट हुआ. इस मिड टर्म और ये सभी चीज़ें अभी घर बैठे बैठे हमारी हो गई. इसके लिए मैं अभी अपनी फैकल्टीज़ को थैंक्स कहना चाहता हूँ, और आगे भी अब ये चीज़ें करते रहिए ताकि हम और अच्छे से तैयारी कर सकें. थैंक यू.